Today we're going to talk about the musculoskeletal system, its composition, and some implications it may have. We're composed by Marco Vicencio, Pablo Cruz, Daniel Schulz, and me, Andres Moreno. Starting up, we see that the musculoskeletal system provides support to the human body. It is composed by bones, muscles, cartilage, tendons, ligaments, joints, and other connective tissue that supports. Most importantly, the system provides form, support, stability, and movement to the body. For example, the bones of the skeletal system protects the body's internal organs and supports the weight of the body. Focusing more in the skeletal portion of the system, it serves as the main storage depot for calcium and phosphorus. The muscles of the muscular system keep bones in place. They also play a role in movement of the bodies by contracting and pulling on the bones, allowing for movements as diverse as standing, walking, running, and grasping items. Cartilage prevents the bone ends from rubbing directly on each other. Muscles contract, or bunch up in other words, to move the bones attached to the joint. Now, to understand everything better and easily, you can appreciate graphically how the bones are connected by joints, and within these joints, bones are connected to other bones and muscle fibers via connective tissue, in this case, the ligaments and tendons as they are portrayed. You can appreciate how they're perfectly placed for them to create movement, but at the same time not cause any pain or disruption between the system. Now moving forward to the disorders, we can see how diseases adversely affect the function and overall effectiveness of the system and can be detrimental to the body. These potentially debilitating diseases can be difficult to diagnose due to the close relation of the musculoskeletal system to other internal systems. In humans, the most common musculoskeletal diseases worldwide are caused by malnutrition. Ailments that affect the joints, such as arthritis, are also widespread. This can make movement difficult. In advanced cases, they completely impair mobility. In severe cases in which the joint has suffered extensive damage, joint replacement surgery may be needed. But as everything, it has ways to prevent it. Physical activity is perhaps the best thing one can do to maintain healthy joints. Although physical activity can be slightly painful, these activities will strengthen the muscles that hold the joints together and help stabilize them. You should support your joint health with health food as well. This will help protect bone structure, muscles, and cartilage. The musculoskeletal system carries the body, meaning it maintains the structure against gravity. If you want your joints to stay healthy and seek the simplest solution, the best answer is to lose weight. Do not forget that the more weight you put on your joints, the more pressure and stress there is on your joints. Now, for some interesting facts. People love to smile, but did you know it takes 17 muscles to actually do it? To just make one simple step, you need 200 muscles. Now imagine going for a walk. Some might think that the muscles that work the hardest are the ones in the arms, the legs, or maybe the abdomen, but actually, these are the ones that work the hardest. Also, did you know that in total, your body has a grand total of 206 bones? Now imagine all the ligaments and tendons and add it up to the rest of the system. Also, that the skull by itself contains 30 bones. Quite impressive, huh? 20% of your body weight is made of the bones and 40% of the muscles. And finally, there is one muscle that never gets tired, and that is the heart. It literally never stops working through any activity you do. It even goes faster when you're working out. In conclusion, the musculoskeletal system is one of the most important systems of your body, and without it, our daily lives will be very different. Thank you, and we hope you learned something today.